Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vrishali, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporter and subscriber who are making this channel grow. Let's do general collective reading for sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is about how do people see you, your family, friends, and other people, and how do you see your own self. Let's take a deeper look. It's a fun reading, so take it likewise. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. So, Aries, let's see. What do people see you right now? What do your friends think about you? Friends think that you are very mature. You are growing mature. This lady is little bit like white hairs are there, so they think that you are mature, but you are playful also, and you have everything you want. Whatever you desire, you get. That is what your friends think about you. Your wishes always come true. Then your family, what does your family think about you? Four of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. They think that you hide your money from them, like money situations from them, and they think that you should have a new family house and a healthy lifestyle. Now you have enough money which you are not showing to them. These are your family members. They try to peep in, but they are not going to get through it because you are not allowing them to. So they think that you should, if you have enough money, you should start a family, or you should make a new start in your business. Might be that way it is. Okay, so what do you think of yourself? You think Page of Wands, Six of Wands. So you are trying to manifest something new. Definitely something new you are thinking of. And you think that your magic should run on everybody. You think that you want to come into public eye, actually. You want to show everyone that you have some magic within you. That is what you are trying to tell. It's not about victory. It is like you want to show everyone that you are someone who can create magic. Yeah, that's the word. Okay, how do people around you, other than your family, friends, or um, like your colleagues or people who know you, think about you? King of Chalices and Two of Pentacles. It is like people think that you are very lovable person who offers their, you are very generous and lovable person who offers them generosity, compassion, loving nature. That is what other people think of you. You are a mature person. You might be a lady, you might be a man, but the thing is that you are very lovable person. Two of Pentacles is you are trying to balance your financial condition. That is what other people think. Okay, so what you want others to look at you like? Nature and King of Pentacles. You want others to see that yes, you are a stable person, but there are other things that you need to sort out in your life. Maybe you want them to see you like you are a person who works very hard and who manifests and gets whatever you want. That is what you want others to think about you that way. Okay, but what the actual condition is? The condition is Knight of Athemus and the Standing Stone. Standing Stone is a Justice card in normal deck. So here I have Standing Stone and Knight of N. Some communication is supposed to come, and there need to be balance. If there was some imbalance, that balance has to be restored with this communication. This communication is coming fast. You can see that the horse is running around. So yes, you are just waiting for that communication to come, and it is about to come. Don't get worried about it. Don't be worried about it. I can see that you are having sleepless night over this communication. Might be of your job because I can see this as a pentacle. So might be this is for your job. It has been stagnant for a very long time, but now God is going to bless you with something. If there was imbalance, that will be balance will be restored. So don't worry about it. So if you are having a partner, like if you are having a partner who is not in contact with you, and like your wife, your fiance, your dating partner, your roommate, whoever you are in relationship with. And if you are not in relationship, if you are a single person, from this point the messages are not for you, if you are a single person. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. What does this relationship person thinks about you? Okay, let's see. Yeah. Unexpected income. That person thinks that you are having some unexpected money, and you are no, you are maturely hiding that from them, and they think that you should inform them too, because I can see 2 5, so they want change in the situation. This is message of concern. They are waiting for this message that you have got some unexpected money, and they want you to come towards them with a gift offer. Yeah, that is what I can see here. So your current partner thinks that this thing about you. It's a random message. If it doesn't resonate with you, the messages are just simply not for you. Don't put thumbs down for this. I hope you like this kind of reading. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.